Hey everybody, Mikeycat here. So what are we doing today? Checking out White Top Nature Preserve area out near Valmeyer. Not quite to Fultz, Illinois, but it's down the Bluff Road between the two. So parked in a parking lot and said I gotta hike down a little trail to get to the trailhead. See, parking down there. Hike to the road here and gonna follow it in. So let's check it out. This is a White Rock Nature Preserve is still down this way. So just keep following this road. There's several private properties adjoining this Nature Preserve area. So they've got a lot of no trespassing signs up. Hey everybody, so we're here at the White Rock Nature Preserve. Made it here to the fence by the entrance, just walked down the little private drive and followed the arrows and came up here to the gate. So let's go check it out. So we're on the early venture trail, going uphill. Woohoo! I saw one lady getting off the trail when I was first coming in. I asked her about it, and she said she went all the way down to the south end. Took her about an hour and a half to get down there and so and back. And had a young couple kind of pass me on a trail coming in. So they're up ahead of me a bit. I stopped, take some photographs and stuff. So yeah. Trying to talk and go uphill at the same time. Wow. Early Venture Way Trail. Little rest area here called Madeline's Rest. But, there's a little bit more information up here. what makes this possible. The White Mine. White Rock. White Rock Nature Preserve. There's some more sponsors. I am going to guess that this could have been the old mine. All sealed up. That's kind of neat. So yeah, it looks like reading a sign that they used to mine stuff for making glass for PPG out here, like in the 20s and such, and talks about stuff they did in the 50s. And so yeah, kind of neat. All those stuff that happened in the past you find out about out here in the middle of nowhere. Well, let's head out of here. Good old Madeline's Rest. And head up on the trail. That's where we came in from. You just kind of do a big V. White Mine Trail. Look at this topography out here, man. All these bluff tops and steep ascents. It's more of southern Illinois hill country out here. The old Mississippi River basin. Trains. See, I just talked to a gentleman that came off the North Trail, so it's just like an 1/8 mile out and back. And I said that Clifftop Alliance folks bought another piece of property down the road a bit. It's supposed to be like a big all flat clifftop type stuff, so I'd be curious to see that sometime. Yep, let's go down trail a little bit and just see what we find. It just seems like a nice flat top area to hike once you're up here. Not too bad. You kind of see off down the hill a little ways. Nice little top of the bluffs. So yeah, I just passed by a couple here. I'm on the Ridgetop Trail South. So there's a handful of people out here today. A lot of them are heading out. It's already after 4:30. It'll be dark in about an hour or less. So yeah, I'll do a little bit of this. I don't know if I'll get the whole thing or not, but it's kind of nice. I got nice little signs along the path here too every once in a while. Nice little resting benches every so often too. It's nice. So on the Ridgetop Trail South. Well guys, since it's getting a little dusky out here, first time being out here too, I know it's gonna still be probably another hour of hiking, so I'm gonna probably make a good call right now for first time in. I'm just gonna turn around, go back and check it out another time. All right, well, catch you guys later. Heading on back. I just figure I'd give it a quick loss over, come out here another time, and I'm not so late in the day. I'll check things out a little more. Yeah, I figured between the cars that were in the parking lot when I came in, and the number of people I've seen walking out, I'm pretty much the last guy standing here. So, crossed paths with several people already. I was walking down one area and I heard some sounds. I'm like, yeah, I'm the only one out here near dusk. I don't have a headlight with me or anything. Don't have a backpack with me. Got it back down the truck. So I'm making the call just to go back. I'll check this one out again for another day. Bring some of my helpers with me. Make it a little more pleasant experience. But yeah, when you're hiking alone out in the woods, wintertime, near dusk, you kind of want to, especially in a brand new spot that you haven't been to before, you don't know the trail, you want to kind of keep your wits about you a little bit. You know, don't go too far out, but yeah, as I said, it's kind of neat out here. See all these cool signs they've got up here along the trail. So one lady I crossed paths with said the South Trail, it goes down, but if you follow it all the way down the end, it basically comes out to a hilltop prairie. Foltz Hill Prairie also has some of those, so I kind of have a rough idea what I'd be expecting down there. This time of year though, it's not going to be too much grass. It'll be died down. So but it is nice up here. Well, looks like we're back here at the intersection of the South and North Loop. North goes up that way. I'll check that out for another day. I head back down here on the White Mine Trail. Head on back down the hill, baby. Because I don't want to hike in the dark without a flashlight. Kind of neat, these little trail markers they have along the way here. Kind of cool, like every 10th or mile or so. Hey everyone, so figured out I was up on top of the hill. I saw this picnic table, and yeah, that's the Madeline's Rest. So back where we were the cave and all that. So we're gonna head back down a trail, head on back towards the parking lot while it's still daylight. So yeah, just doing a quick in and out. I ain't gonna do anything crazy my first time out here, being near dusk, because you never know, especially when you don't have gear with you, no flashlight or water or anything, all back in the truck. So yeah, just play it safe when you're outdoors. This would be an awesome trail though for practicing 15-20 pound backpack loads. Something rustling out there. But yep, that's the other thing too. You don't want to be out when it's too dark, because you know, you get critters and stuff coming out. Deer, dogs, whatever, you know. Everyone, looks like we're getting back down here near the entrance gate. So yeah, this was a fun little quick out and back. Definitely don't want to be out here any longer than you have to in the dark, you know. Kind of a neat little area out here. People live. It's rustic. Well, everybody, got a rock heron here. Add my little contribution to it. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you again in the outdoors.